I'd forgotten to take my identity card for an important entrance examination. I was in another state, and there was no way I could fetch it in time. I was distraught. I feared I would not be permitted to answer the exam. In desperation, I prayed, and miraculously, the supervisor walked past my bench without asking for my ID proof. Prayer is something that is inculcated in us from childhood. We were taught to pray whenever we needed something and when we were grateful. Tables turn and miracles happen when you pray is a comforting saying that we often hear when faced with great uncertainty. Paul assures the Colossians that he will not stop praying for them. He hopes that they will do God's will and walk in a manner worthy of the Lord, fully pleasing to Him, bearing fruit in every good work. He wishes them knowledge to share God's word and power to face challenges with patience and joy. Prayer brings comfort, peace, and strength. It deepens our spiritual resolve and helps us accept every setback. Silent communication, hymns, or formal structured prayer, all these bring us closer to God. We need to pray for ourselves and for others, just like Paul, because all the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our God.